What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you're all doing great. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? So price is pushing down with a solid momentum. We have got couple of candles closed below 50 EMA on capital.com, and if you look here on the other platform, we had a nice candle closed below 50 EMA. And before that, we do have this 382 bearish candle. If you are my student, you know what entry type is that. And on NEMEX, we are right at the trend line. So let's do a quick analysis and what to expect next. So starting with NEMEX. Now, what do we have right here? Price right at the trend line. Now, there is no signals at the trend line, so we are not going to take any blind trades from this trend line. Now, signal looks something like this, a nice bullish engulfing candle that pushed the market higher nicely. Can still push up from here, but for entries we need a signals like this. So for confirmation, the buyers talks to you, it gives you signals, the market tells you that what's going to happen next. So again, if there is some sort of rejection like double bottom, bullish engulfer, that can give us some sort of pullback before the price pushes back down. But only the pullback is something I'm expecting. Now, technically, I'm just looking for bearish trades, a pullback below 50 EMA, a bearish engulfing candle, and I'll be going short. If we are broken below this trend line completely, the price will turn completely bearish, and we are only looking to go short, only bearish trades till the price get to the next support that also aligns with 50 EMA on a daily time frame, from where I'll be looking to enter my long trades. So very simple here, keep looking for your bearish pullback entry. If that happens below 50 EMA, we are going short. Broken below, we are going further short with bearish pullbacks and keep on taking shorts with pullbacks. To buy, I want to see a bullish engulfer or clear break above 50 EMA. Only then I'll start to look for my buying opportunity. So it's very simple, not a rocket science. Keep looking for your conditions. Now on capital.com, we have a solid momentum. I'm no longer looking to buy this market, but I'll be looking to buy from this area exactly as these numbers in blue that was already shown in my last video as well. So I'll be simply looking for the pullback that is expected, a breather is expected, and then a bearish engulfer, and then I'll keep on taking shots till we get to this green zone, from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trade, which is my bullish engulfers or double bottom confirmation. So keep an eye here, only looking to enter my bearish trades. On Owanda, exactly the same. We can look for pullback and bearish engulfing pattern. We already got a bearish signal on Owanda. For the students who are in my full MMTA course, they know the valid entry pattern here on gas has been formed, and that plays out as well. Now, I'm looking for a pullback and bearish engulfing entry, but if there is a valid entry, remember, if there is no valid signal, no valid pullback entry, we are not going for any trades. But if there is some more momentum and then a pullback and then bearish engulfer, that will be a strongest entry condition. So keep an eye. And we are only looking to sell till we get to this level. On Owanda, this level is quite far, and that is right here. That was already mentioned in my last video. Keep an eye here, and that is something we are looking at. On MCX as well, we are only looking to go short. The next trend continuation zone is first right here, these numbers. Second zone is right here, these numbers. But we do have one level before that as well to go long. Otherwise, we are just looking for some more momentum and then a pullback, and only going short, only taking bearish trades for natural gas. Keep an eye. Like I mentioned, net gas runs perfectly fine. Talking with experience from last 5 years, I'm uploading videos. And that's why I don't normally look at fundamentals. But technically, it works fine. A nice uptrend, but now we are below 50 EMA. Short term, we can look for the bearish trades till this green zone. Next up, we have gold. Now, in my last video, if you have seen my last video, I've said that the price must close below these lows. It never happens. As you can see, it rejected with bullish engulfer. Now, we are getting a possible pin bar here. If that turns out to be a bullish pin bar, that's also one of the buy signal here on gold. We'll see how that close. A pin bar above 20 EMA will be my entry as well, and we can see a possible continuation towards the upside. Gold is very slow. Looking at silver, because silver is nicely pushing to our third target, which is 1.618 retracement. The trade we have taken all the way from here, the entry we have taken here, if you have seen my last video. And if I look at gold and silver ratio now, if you don't know what gold and silver ratio look like, I've already made a video how to trade gold and silver with a ratio. Now, the ratio is inside the structure support, and as you can see right here, that's not a very strong level. That is why I'm only expecting maybe a pullback. So if there is a pullback upside, means silver reacts nicely with a ratio. Silver can give us a pullback before it pushes up. So looking at the ratio, we can see some sort of bounce, but some sort of pullback downwards on silver, and on gold we can see a possible continuation with a candlestick pattern I've just mentioned. So keep looking for the close of this bullish pin bar. Once closed, we have a bullish pin bar entry. And for the less aggressive entry, keep looking for the breakout above this high, then a pullback, and then an engulfing candle to go long. I'm expecting a price to head higher. Sell will only happen once we are broken below these lows. And same goes with silver heading towards 1.618 retracement. We are already in the trade, but for the less aggressive entry, again the pullback to 50 EMA and engulfing pattern to go long. Otherwise, this entry was triggered here. If you're managing a trade, I would manage till 1.618 fib level target. Finally, we have crude oil nicely pushed down. Like I mentioned in my last video, we can expect some sort of pullback. Bearish engulfer, not one of my entry, but bearish engulfer means we have a bearish pressure. We can see a possible push down to these levels first right here. If that happens, we'll have a possible double bottom to go long, but I must see a signal like engulfing candle or a pin bar. Otherwise, this green zone is right here. If the price goes inside the green zone and form a condition, then I'll be going long. Till then, we are only looking for the pullback and bearish engulfing entry and keep on taking shots till we get to these buying area. So that's it for today's video. Hope you got a value. If yes, hit a like button for me, subscribe if you're new so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.